Good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our science class. And today we are going to revise teeth and microbes, chapter number 3 in your science textbook. So, already we have finished this chapter. Hope you remember about this lesson, the important points, and what we learned from this lesson from the video chapter 3 teeth and microbes. So today let us revise for our FA2 exam. So concentrate in this video. Let us begin now. And what did we learn from this video is the human body. It's about the teeth and about the temporary teeth and the permanent teeth, then kinds of teeth in the mouth, then structure of teeth with labeling of parts of a tooth. So I hope you remember all these what we learned already. And then we also learned the care of teeth and gums, causes of cavities and gums, and need for regular checkup, and role of food in development of healthy teeth and gums. So these are the things we learned from this lesson. Now teeth. So teeth means, what do you remember? So you can just imagine that how do you look without the teeth. Yes, we look very horrible. We cannot speak properly. We cannot eat anything, right? Yes. So in the exam, if they ask you any one uses of teeth, you can write this point. Teeth give shape to face. Teeth give shape to face. It helps to bite and chew food. And it helps to speak clearly. So those 3 points are very important about the teeth. And about the temporary teeth, they are 20 in numbers. Start to develop from 6 months to 3 years. So when you are baby, 6 months to 3 years, you will get total set of 20 teeth. They are called as temporary teeth. And permanent teeth, they are 32 in numbers. So from 6 to 7 years, milk teeth fall. So when you are 6 years old, they will start one by one after another, not continuously. They will start falling. And in that place, a new set of teeth grow in that place. So that teeth is called permanent teeth. And we should take care of permanent teeth. If permanent teeth falls, it will not grow again. And the next one is, we also learnt about the kinds of teeth. So do you remember the kinds of teeth? Incisors, premolars, molars, and canines. Very good. And incisors teeth are called as, yes, cutting teeth. Very good. So let's see the kinds of teeth now. So incisor, canines. Incisors are also called as cutting teeth. And canines are also called as tearing teeth. And premolars, they are called as crushing teeth. And the last one is molars. They are called as grinding teeth. So you should remember all these kinds of teeth. Now let us learn about the incisors teeth. So there are four in each jaw. So jaw means this is lower jaw and this is upper jaw. So there are four in each jaw, which means total 8. They have sharp thin edge to cut and bite food. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are called as the front teeth. The front four teeth are called as incisors, right? So lower jaw 4 and the upper jaw 4. And the next one is canines. They are called as staring teeth. We have 4 canine teeth with 2 on each jaw. So which is the canine teeth? Yes, after the incisors we have the 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each jaw 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are sharp, pointed and help to tear the food. So you can open your mouth and see in the mirror to see the canine teeth. So in the lesson video I have showed you the picture also. Now let's see the next one, premolars. So what are premolars? They are 8 in numbers with 4 in each jaw. So premolars are, so here after the tearing teeth, after the canines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 8 with 4 in each jaw and they are used for grinding and cracking the food. So from this they will ask like fill in the blanks or true or false or choose the correct answer. So for all whatever the type of question is, you will be given options. And what are molars? There are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. So last 3, 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. They are wider and stronger. So you can open your mouth and have a look inside. So they are called as molars and they are used for grinding and swallowing the food. And the next one is the structure of tooth. So already I have shown the structure of tooth in the video of our lesson. So the parts are crown, enamel, dentine, gum, pulp and the root. So these are the labeling parts in the structure of the tooth. And the next one is causes of cavities. So if you want to see the structure of the tooth, go to the video of the lesson teeth and microbes. Just open and see that. And causes of cavities. Now let's see the causes of cavities. Now when food is trapped between the tooth and not removed with brushing. So when food gets stuck in between the tooth after we have our meal, if it does not remove that, it remains in the teeth and we get cavities. So food rots and germs grow in the teeth. So what happens if you don't brush your teeth at night? The food will rot and gives a bad breath and germs will grow in that. And it causes the tooth cavity. And these germs then reacts with the food and produces acids. And acids eat away the tooth enamel and the tooth starts decaying with cavities. So it's important to brush our teeth. Now, tooth decay. So holes in tooth called cavities. So what are called cavities? Holes in tooth are called cavities. And we have tooth pain. If we have cavities, we'll have tooth pain, then damage or broken teeth, teeth loss, and digestive disorder. So all these we have if we have tooth decay in our mouth. And how to take care of teeth? So we should have good oral and dental hygiene. We should have good oral and dental hygiene. Means you have to regularly visit the dentist, regularly brush your teeth, regularly rinse your mouth. All these are called oral hygiene. Oral and dental hygiene. It helps to avoid cavities and tooth decay. So brush your teeth twice a day and after eating and drinking every time. So whenever you have your food or whenever you drink some cold drink or hot drink, you have to gargle your mouth and eat balanced food like vegetables, fruits and milk. So eat balanced food like vegetables, fruits and milk so that your teeth will be strong. And rinse your mouth after every meals. And avoid sweets, chocolates and carbonated drinks. So if you have also, do not forget to rinse your mouth. Otherwise, immediately brush your teeth. And the last point is visit the dentist regularly. So once in a year or once in 6 months, you have to visit the dentist. Now there are some answers. So what are microbes? So they are tiny living things that are present in the air, water, soil, food and even inside and outside of our body, and animals are called as microbes and they are seen only through the microscope. So we cannot see through with our naked eyes. And the next one is, can you name any two types of microbes? We have several types of microbes. They are protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and viruses. And what are called bacteria? It causes disease like typhoid, tuberculosis, etc. And they are single-celled organism. Bacteria are single-celled organism. And what is called viruses? They are very tiny organisms which cause diseases like flu, common cold, and polio, etc. And what are called fungi? So fungi means they are plants like bacteria and cause skin diseases like ringworm and dandruff. They grow on dead and rotting materials. And what is protozoa? They are single-celled animals and they cause malaria and amoebic dysentery. And uses of microbes, and there are some useful microbes also. So some bacteria are helpful to change milk into curd. Yeast is a fungus. It is used to make spongy and soft bread. And they are used in making foods such as vinegar, cheese and yogurt. So what are the four types of human teeth? Now we learned that yes, incisors, canines, molars and premolars. And what is an enamel? So the outer covering of crown which is white in color is called enamel. So this question you may get in the filling the blanks or true or false or choose the correct answer, right? And the next one is, so how many permanent teeth does an adult have? Yes, 3 to 32. An adult has 32 set of permanent teeth. And what kind of microbes are called germs? Disease causing microbes are called as germs. And which type of teeth help in biting and cutting of food? Incisors helps in biting and cutting of food. And so children, here we end this session. So the notes are given and the textbook pages are also given, sent to you, and it's already sent to you. So revise the whole lesson. Any questions will be asked from the textbook, so no need of by hearting the question and answers. You just have to learn and understand and remember the points so that you will get full marks. So all the best for your FA2 exam. So stay home, stay safe, keep studying, and yes, till your exam you have to study. So you want to you want to score full marks, right? So it will be very easy. Bye bye children.